Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my video. Today I'm at my house. So today I was just watching on my TV and then suddenly I heard something weird. And when I look outside, it's a baby bird stuck in my pool. I don't know what that is, guys. If you guys know what that is, comment down below. It's really weird. That's my pool. So he was literally right there, and he was like, and then my vacuum cleaner, I guess, came to it, and then he got on top of it. Yeah. Or it could be a bug. I don't know. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Guys, should I save him, guys? Comment down below, guys. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Alright, guys, bye.